Hi everyone! If you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy the VeChain on it, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy VeChain on Coinbase. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type VeChain and search for it. And simply tap onto the one option that has the VeChain on it. Just like this. Now to buy it, simply tap onto buy option right here. Now add the additional information about the cryptocurrency and simply buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the VeChain on Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.